Hey, Scott Leonard, UAS 231, Module 3, Assignment 2. It is the CoDrone motor arming and disarming. Today's date is September 26th. Let's get started. Okay, here we are. We're ready to get started with the arming and disarming of the CoDrone drone that we received in the first course with SDI's UAS program. So we're going to get started by first powering on the controller, and then I'm going to power on the drone. And to start, we go ahead and pinch the sticks together down into the center. And as you can see, the motors have been armed. And now we are going to disarm the motors by doing the same action. Pinching the sticks together down into the center. And the motors have been disarmed. Okay, great. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.